right, friends, y'all please help me welcome our horns. Stephen on trumpet. Gregory on clarinet. Zaria on saxophone. And Ethan on trombone. On this next song, we're going to combine our horn section with the rhythm section to play two early styles of New Orleans music. The first style is rather orderly, while the second style invites us to be lighter on our feet. See if you can match your movements to the music on one of the most famous brass band songs around, The Saints Go Marching In.